Hey everyone! Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're going to learn English in a fun and natural way through a real-life conversation. Our topic today is morning routine, the little things we all do when we start our day. You'll hear a short and simple conversation full of useful daily expressions. After that, I'll share with you some smart notes to help you sound more natural when you speak. Then, we'll discover our word of the day. And finally, it's your turn. You'll get to pronounce the new word and create your own sentence using it. So, stay with me till the end, because every word you learn today will make your English stronger tomorrow.
Good morning. You look so fresh today.
Thanks. I went to bed early last night.
Nice. I wish I could do that. I always stay up late.
You should sleep early. It really changes your mood in the morning.
You're right. I'll try tonight. By the way, did you have breakfast?
Yes. Just some coffee and toast. What about you?
I skipped breakfast again. I'm always in a hurry.
You should take care of yourself. Breakfast is important.
I know. Maybe tomorrow. Good morning. You look so fresh today.